OpenAI just released a new feature within ChatGPT for any of the paying subscriptions for ChatGPT called Tasks. And it's a bit of an automation feature within GPT, which makes it very, very aligned with this channel because all we do is SEO and AI-powered automations. And this is a great way to automate a few of the tasks that you do on a daily basis. I'm going to show you how you can use it, its functionalities, what it can do, what it can't do, and and how it looks like when you receive the notifications from the actual tasks that have been run. So when you log into your ChatGPT account, you can access it in a few different things, this new tasks feature. If you drop down here, you'll see here GPT-4o with scheduled tasks as well. And in this instance, you can click that and you can ask it right away to schedule you something. For example, let's say ask it to just give me a rundown on the latest developments from OpenAI every Monday, for example. If I hit enter, it's going to start creating the task here automatically. So OpenAI updates weekly every Monday at 9 a.m. If you don't tell it when to do it, it kind of does it automatically, and then you can change the frequency of that task right away within the conversation. I can go to edit, and then it gives me the name of the task, the instructions that we've been given it here, and then I can change the schedule. I can go weekly, monthly, annually, custom, and the instructions there are here. So at the moment, I'll get that every Monday. So that's one way you can access tasks as well. The other way is if you go to the settings in the top right corner of your account and you go to tasks, you see all the current tasks that you have scheduled here. For example, I've got one here on general, the latest AI advancements. So if we look at that task, it says research latest advancements, search for the latest advancements in AI models, updates from large LLM companies, and any new AI powered marketing tools, yada yada. I want that every Wednesday, 9 a.m. I've done another one here and I'll show you what the email looks like when you get the notification from the task here. So get weather in forecast. That's where I am at the moment. So I want the daily forecast to be given to me every day. And when it triggers, and by the way, it triggers the conversation even if you're not on GPT at the moment in time. And it's saying here, so it triggers the get weather in Coyhaique forecast every day. Today in Coyhaique, expect clouds and suns and brief showers as it does. So it gives me all of that today. And I've asked it to also tell me or prompt me what to wear according to the weather, and it opens the chat here. Also, it sends you an email. You need to have the email notifications enabled, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, but it looks like here. It looks like this. You get an email from OpenAI, a task update from ChatGPT, and here it gives you the main task's title. I can go to click view message, and it'll take me to that message that it's created with that task automation. Kind of cool. Pretty useful. So with the notifications, you'll have to enable them, and you'll have to go to here, tasks, and go to settings, and you'll see in the settings tab, it says little notifications here, and it says tasks. Whether you just want an email or push, you can enable or disable. I'm going to enable both here so I can get my notifications via push and email. This is also available in the Mac OS application. If you downloaded that on your Mac, it'll be the same kind of functionalities here as well. So remember that to push the notifications, you'll also have to enable your browser to allow it to push those notifications coming through. You can see if we read the whole article that OpenAI have released on this, it'll give you all the information you really need to know about this, and I'll leave it linked in the video description below, obviously. So another thing here is you only get to place 10 tasks at a time, but how much they run is kind of unlimited, but you can only run 10 tasks at a time. What I'm going to start doing, and then we'll give you guys an update on how well it works. I want to create a task that will give me the top ranking results for a certain keyword or a certain niche that I'm trying to rank for. So I get an understanding of what's ranking really well, on a month-to-month basis, for example. Now, keep in mind that they're not using the Google API, they're using the Bing API, but regardless, that's still some great information that we can do here. So if I go to task here, I'm going to start a new conversation and go to GPT-4o schedule with task, and I'm going to ask it to research for the top 3 organic ranking results for the new SEO strategies and summarize to them on a monthly basis as well, because I don't need on a weekly basis. I just want to know on a monthly basis. Perfect. So I've said here, create a task that will research the top, hopefully it's understood that, the top 3 organic ranking results for anything related to SEO strategies with AI. Summarize them and ensure you give me the domain name, the title of the page, and a summary of what they've written. Then, with all these 3 summaries done, give me a brief explanation of what is the search intent for that search. I want this done every Monday. Now let's see what it actually did, because that's a larger prompt. And if we go to edit, it says it's kind of really condensed that prompt a little bit. Search the top 3 organic ranking results for anything related to SEO strategies with AI. Summarize each results. Provide the domain name, title of the page, and summary of the content. Explain the search intent for this query. That's not too bad. You could also get it to give you all the frequently asked questions. That'll give you great content strategies and save. So now I'll see what that looks like every Monday. I'm just going to go to tasks here and make sure that that is done here. So now I've got a couple of scheduled tasks: research the latest advancements, give me the weather, general OpenAI updates, and research SEO strategies with AI. That'll be delivered to my inbox, which is a nice little feature. Here is the other task completed that I had on before. Now, I just want to show you that sometimes it is a little bit late. It doesn't give you the task exactly spot on at the time that you said. This task was scheduled for 9 o'clock and it gave it to me at 9:13, which isn't too bad, but you need to be aware of this. It can be a little bit later. That task here, and it says the schedule couldn't be completed. There you go. So it's not perfect. Let's see what happened here. There was a problem with your scheduled task. Okay. Not sure what that was about. Maybe couldn't search it, whatever. But obviously, still in beta feature, they're sorting out a few of the kinks here and there. I'm going to be testing this out a lot more and see how we can use it to ease your research when it comes to SEO and content copywriting and just general marketing. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a like so you're notified next time we upload something like that. But that's it. That's GPT Tasks for you. Pretty cool feature, pretty simple at the moment, to be honest. It's nothing like Make Automations or Zapier, but I think this is the baby steps for OpenAI. They're actually really scared about releasing complete autonomous agents because of the downsides that it can have, the negative impact. So I think they're taking a much more gentle approach to releasing these autonomous agents, and I think this is the beta or number 1 or 0.01 version of that. If you want to learn how to use all these AI tools for SEO and automations, I suggest you check out our community, the AI Ranking School community. There's a free community that you can check out. It'll get you started with how to do SEO and how to start doing content automation the right way. If you want that, you can check it out with the video, with the link description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.